Hello everyone, welcome to BOSJOB's channel. Today I'm gonna to introduce you our welding bead cleaning machine's latest version, WBC100S and 200S. And compare with our old version, WBC100 and 200, I will introduce you what's different, what's advantage. In the beginning, I will introduce you the S means stepless, which means you can adjust the power level on this knob, stepless adjustment. After you switch the brush or close head, you can use this knob to fine adjustment your power level to get the best cleaning current for you. And for the WBC100S, we have liquid flow adjustment, so it's the same function as the WBC200S. The first advantage is the liquid supply system. When you trigger the torch switch, the liquid will come automatically. You can save your operation time. And for this torch, we have a pattern design. You can adjust the cover. It can protect your brush to have longer lifetime. And we have the cleaning powder. You can mix with the water to make your own cleaning liquid. So now I'm gonna to do a small test for you. If I'm using the small current for cleaning, now I'm using the same thick welder to make the welding bit. This is the front side and back side of the material. You can see the back side without the protection, so it's not so clean. Now I'm using the small current for cleaning. It's not so easy to remove the oxidization layer. The back side is also not so easy because it's not protect with the argon gas. This is the back side. So you can see the after cleaning on your welding bit, the color is a little bit different, like the original material. If I adjust the higher power, higher current, so you can see it's faster, but also you will have a little bit more smoke. And the back side cleaning is also faster. So now you can see compare with the low current and high current cleaning, the surface color is different. If you use the small current, it's not so beautiful. The color is a little bit changed than before, but the high current it's more beautiful and less color change. But it's not means higher current will be always better, because it must be according to your material, your formula of your cleaning liquid. So that's why we have this kind of stepless adjustment function for you.